Won wo ba form no. Se won se wudua utu ediboni a ebi eka wano. Eno na aka wo no. Wo ba form no se nka ho na wo ba no ye penini mahwe. Me kwa matwen ache dodo. Ebusiafo na eye Divas trend ene mami atare share ye Divas or Jowulu Sit Theatre opposite St. John School ne number eye 02079110006 miwie na Impact Salon or share mi wigi Impact or su around Photo Club Lara Matwa ne number eye 0200009240 nende ye twas won say this week there John and John week John and John week. Ain't next me on me beautiful cast bi over her. Sandra Annie Kumawood star stroke. Only Dabo. Dabo mame five ma feel. Oh, then the other day, she made him kakre. And the wife amba me na me waso. Masake no. Ebusiafo. Na question aye ebusane say someone munim say wo ba pe yes wo ba pe nanim ne ba papa ana meboa nti se wo ye be ma na se wo ni oba anyim na se oba no ese eye woa na wo ne nyim ya eye necessary so be ma na ye DNA test ana Sandy me start also
it depend the kind of woman or ye involved what did they make ana say because at the end of the day no say me kunu ne ana say bia o yere ne me na se wo jimidi wonni ma setna me no mienu ti wonni se oba we de nya de obefa machi they make can't say there is no way I will be demanding for DNA. Do you get the whole thing? Because me know it's not yen na me nchire will be say me unfaithful and I say metimi aye bibi boni bi etisa enti no it depends on the trust that lasts in the relationship. So trust
now what if say e bia wadanfo bia fa wechi akoka bibia che no na ma trust na e shake kakra.
In a relationship, no say the most important thing is love and then trust. You understand? Into substance, it's too near money nima. It doesn't make up a very good relationship. So big can be a bit sure. Maybe say there are so many things you can hear in a relationship. But what man and walk cry? Do you get the whole thing? Into no bet me can be Eddie break you somehow.
Hey. Na still Bemani insist say one of the watching into no what person would you so now we DNA na
oh me
Sandy be
oba me say me ni me ho say me fan share wo there me dey so there we are so there but me fan share wa
na etumi si
oh see the etumi si
sawon
obi timi nyem no I confused utimi say be sa man tin nipa be 3 and
what can self no Dabo, I don't know mema no moyesa.
Ya ede.
Why den say?
I will see mema. Na mema ya ede.
Why den say? I dey tina mo pe DNA test.
Oh, ye di kan. Mami ntia. Kunkuma tie fo nyina. Ani adwuma fo nyina. Ahwefo. Ani madwuma fo nyina.
Okay.
Me chia me fans obibia. 21 me mashallah.
Dabo the great. Shout out. 21. The woman say enya say me ma ye pesa de no.
Say even me wo ma wale. Na bia me ne me wife afa flu. Na me ne netwa. Say me ka say ebi onkoya ebu a ebi anya bone so. Ebia o yare kra mi hu.
Hey, Dabo si yare ni DNA. Dabo na yare belo. Me
sa ade ni ese enkoye no. De me
DNA.
Maybe ebia oba na one ne to no. Ebia na wa otrimu nhyedanto.
Ent no
Say bia sen no tie. Okay, ebi kura mi jinidi. But de beba osienko. Ya me cho wata. Na chese bibi ne aye de eba be happy. Se nyame ne tembe ne
be happy Dabo. Eden ne be happy.
Na se wa boni awakodi na na otuba bete.
Dabi you know just say wunji oba ni ndio. Won say na Sandy ka say love and trust. And the relationship. Na say wunji ni that na worry na the first place.
Oh. Maybe obi timi wale obi. Ansa no wabedono.
Hey, that mistake no. On the topic for Abasandi. Obi me worry obi. Ansana
wabedono. Said odono. Obu onso a otimi do obi timi adona ne maame ko kan because nkamasem ne papa o se nkamasem afọ wuramu wi a se won na ye nie wuramu wi no okoto ase na won obon se ni efe pa ba ase de tuntum
kanzo na wo
itu wuramu wi an ko hu se se jatana ye kan ti se de John ye tu mi for menti am ko fa mi busie ni ba to mi sui
ene na se ne bebe bia o se wo fa ne sa because wo ba no want steady no e na wo ko ware no na ne ade nti na wa fa ye fra wo so nko ye DNA wo sa ko say ska onim DNA bo
enu ye mi ma adwene o ye me cho wa ta se enu ye mi ma adwene ami hu ni se okoye ebe boaye ba onu so person so ni para enye no kura shada for pushing
nti o twetwe ni wana je wo se
wo se ade na wono wo tie no kura enye sa
da bu hu obi anani abreda wo bi otumi twa ntro
esa bo
wo wo ba bi otumi twa ntro wo ka kura wo nani
so nim nipa unim se de ready nipa o pa shada kasemi ni yembe shina at once bia na ntimi ready no bia un se o Sandra atuwe se Sandra bibi na mi pushing at once ya
the real yem shino no wunim
ube demecho any oye debi say me say okay me doctor beba say
now they are real
for chile kwa me doctor say ana say
matse aye de dodo ne ba Sandra mon kai me say wo betimi aware obi a wo ndo ne de case no too deep ebusiafo ye twa ye ho abaye ba ye beto as ebusiafo mebie me phone lines no na Dabo aka sem bi kwa mamiye machine ye se ebi mutumi ware nkofo chese wo ndo nipa no so na wa ware no aden na wo de wo be kwakoshe bibisa mu Sandra we hu bisa ada
a Tessie woman a Tessie pa
so wo ndo nipa no but na wa ware no
won so obu o wa ware na okom na business a lifetime investment.
Yes.
Oh yes, a business.
Sir,
nipa na de tanachi. Won hwe na nimo de tanachi na adeko.
E na wo de ko.
Yeah right.
Sister ye check budget no. Ne nya mane fa na wale me.
Ai. Oh, na discover be ware.
Discover mi so bia SMS wa.
Hoya.
Yo obidi
Rosling Gazana.
Oh
my God.
We jano.
Obidi fa fe ne million ba se opeso be wale me na mso nya to base.
Dabo e hoya.
O se me modi. Surprise am dem man.
Yes, nesi wo.
My son nice guy to say me. Hey. 10 gram to say me. So come in Poma Blanche to say me.
I say me. Me show. I've met my meter. Just say yes, we see what. Mr. Dove.
Let the poor enjoy. See.
Let the poor enjoy it to say.
Boko na isa boy with you na. Kwa branda busi yesinesi wa odi wa hani bisi wa.
Ne busalo nete.
Minchi asisa don go enche di so anu na doctor me sana uni bibi ne topic no ho. Eurade somehow papa na me die mesre no kra die. Yin film to ho. Yin film say ka say na o say your friend say we say obe ma timi wale oba ni ale eno de ade e kaisi so ati ase o we free abrabo no anyi esa ko na esa ba di say di wi asna ko no ka say wo transaction odi a nya de e bebo atuhe na ti di la na wo yo ba kura wankasa
na wa Mr. Dove was a midanosh
wa hini ya di asembe ba ya obetina ba brewa
sa
so ati ti na se ni pa obi o kura na no edu wankasa no no I had now ko anim
what blasted rough Abrewa
Miniaba.
Yes darling let's say
Miniaba papa bi. We am to man kai DTP wase.
Hey
So fan kasa. Mama ge kai mama tia mate am say no me line kate. Eye madam Vivian abitum wa o po bi man. Obeso sa me mama no no do makugo. Na mi hira no. This your mama me yeri edu odo fine pa.
Sir.
Da shekunkum ye pere do do nye de sim.
Ai.
Mention Bia as in Jehovah Pragia. And you couldn't tell me, I'm not a just be a ginum. Now, the person is catching a tongue, and I have about it. There is all, I didn't know the idea.
Oh,
I didn't know the other part. As I say, Nebra, and you would the other. Now, two now can look at a Pragia good and hitting good.
Hey, a strong team.
Said Gani.
Pura by Akash.
Yes. And Akash really.
Nobody know.
Because the mama is a boo, I wouldn't want to do rough. The Akash. No, the metro was a boo, so papa. Now, me, I'm also on so, Namenka.
Me does say. Hello, Raz. Raz. Oh, Raz, a free line. So, Elizabeth Arthur, I will share you free Atlanta, Georgia. Ye chiao pa US phone in Afia Kunkum.
US phone.
US phone in Afia Kunkum. You have no idea. Na Dabo, who's so be a siwa? What's me a catch?
No background. I didn't much Okiana.
I say I shock you.
I said your director was shocking. What be this guy? Oh, na me obana wale mi.
Hey, and you know
Zekula. Hey, o ka say ye ko twa don ayi we be chichi no gumeso. Ayi Rosingiza. Na woma boka wale.
Hey, Dabo. When you're a balai no so why and we woo. Hello, surprise call. Hello.
Hello.
Mommy, you menu. Hello.
Hello.
Roslyn.
Yes.
Your husband is here. Dabu Jananua.
Hello.
Hello, Roslyn.
Hey, now Dabo, you want your now you're saying you.
Aha. Dabu.
You're back on a bet now. Obana na better me size. Obana to me bro.
Thank you. Roslyn, yes, so why?
Your wife.
Mate, I.
Oh, boy.
Your poor continue with you. John and Obeda, Ubenya da Sandy, John and John. Send a yen Munina Mobeba West was one.
Yes, said yes, show in city, no. Yeah, what be what crack, definitely.
Now, I didn't roll now play room.
Okay, me play Vivian.
Vivian, okay. Not Vivian or a day.
Na make her na me ye near ye nam for 4.
Kana na Mama
Brown's Seligali and Sama Mumuni. Yes. Enti near ye nam for 4 years your result will be ayensi hu sika na ye nyina near bobo po kwan ya be fa so ebetimi agi.
Yes, $1 million CD. Yeah. Saturday be ye dwan kakana Dabo de mi so hwedua so.
Na de baby a mimi sino. Your friends
James Gardner.
James Gardner. Mimi hwedua so ntati areme. Na mimi timi si anka ba to se me show. Say de me yakwa say get down. Get down. Me get down. Na mimi timi si he asema mimi kan say ye movie no me pese obi ade ayalefo ye wanya broken heart mo fane mla
yo yare
malaria mo fane me typhoid mo fane me HIV mo ko se G4
na Westel
akwalebu wo me se ye be hili wo ye se ye be hili wo mo
na silent force we
obi
abodam force we
mo nyina mla wo me ekwa wo so wo mutimenwo me se wo mla wo mo de se o ka se abete
na me mami owo mi ende ye ne birthday. Happy birthday Mrs. Marian Zikweno. Mami, I love you so much. Ni me cousin me cousin Eriko Foriko ende your birthday busuafo ende me ni agi too much. Dabo ni Sandra in the house. Oh, mi chia Dabo any
mami why Alice Manti bia mi chia obi a me fans
na say na mu ni follow your Instagram.
Obibia
Yate Dabo, the troublesome boy. Mun follow your Instagram at Adum